In this video, we've picked the top 5 battery-powered sprayers that cater to different needs and uses. We understand that when it comes to gardening or lawn care, everyone has their own unique tasks, whether you're a casual gardener taking care of a few plants, someone with a medium-sized garden, or even a pro managing large lawns. The sprayers we're about to show you are designed to make your life easier, and depending on what you need, whether it's comfort, capacity, or versatility, there's something here that's perfect for you. We'll break down which sprayer works best for different jobs, so you can make an informed decision and pick the one that fits your needs the best. Let's get into it. At number 5, the Casiwali 2-gallon electric garden sprayer is perfect for gardeners who want a lightweight and portable solution for small to medium-sized areas. If you have a garden, patio, or small lawn and don't want to spend all day pumping a traditional sprayer, the Casiwali sprayer is the answer. With its 2-gallon capacity, it allows you to cover a decent amount of ground without constantly needing to refill. The battery lasts up to 3 hours per charge, which is plenty of time for regular garden maintenance. Its lightweight design and adjustable shoulder strap make it easy to carry, even for longer periods. Whether you're watering your plants, applying fertilizers, or spraying pesticides, this sprayer makes these tasks much easier by eliminating the need for manual pumping. It's especially ideal if you're looking for something that's simple, affordable, and designed for everyday use. The 23.6-inch extendable wand helps you reach hard-to-get spots or tall plants without straining, making it perfect for those who want convenience and ease in their gardening routine. At number 4, the Petra Tools EZ1 battery-powered sprayer is the best choice for those who need a compact, cost-effective sprayer that can handle small tasks without compromising on performance. If you have a small garden, a few houseplants, or just need something for occasional pest control, the Petra Tools EZ1 is your go-to option. With a 1-gallon capacity, it's perfect for light-duty spraying jobs where you don't need a large sprayer or a ton of features. This sprayer offers 3 different nozzles: fan spray for wide coverage, a round mist for delicate plants, and a jet spray for more powerful tasks like weed control. The battery lasts for about 3 hours, which is more than enough for regular, low-intensity tasks. It's incredibly lightweight and easy to use, making it ideal for beginners or anyone who wants a no-fuss tool for basic garden maintenance. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, portable sprayer that covers all the basics without overcomplicating things, the Petra Tools EZ1 is the best option for you. At number 3, the SideKing 1.35-gallon battery powered sprayer stands out as the best sprayer for those who need a versatile tool for medium-sized tasks. If you have a slightly larger garden or need a sprayer that offers more flexibility without being too large or bulky, this 1.35-gallon sprayer is ideal. With the added capacity over a standard 1-gallon model, you won't need to stop and refill as often, which saves time on bigger projects. The battery provides up to 2 hours of continuous spraying, making it perfect for tasks like watering larger flower beds, spraying a wider area with fertilizer, or even dealing with pests across a medium-sized lawn. What makes this sprayer particularly useful is its adjustable nozzle, which lets you switch between a wide fan spray, a shower spray, or a concentrated jet stream. This makes it highly adaptable to different tasks, whether you're applying a light mist to delicate plants or spraying a strong jet to tackle weeds. The included 23.6-inch telescoping wand also makes it easier to reach those tricky spots like tall plants or areas that are hard to get to. If you're someone who needs a bit more power and capacity for your medium-sized gardening or outdoor maintenance tasks, the SideKing sprayer is the perfect choice for you. At number 2, the Petra Tools battery-powered backpack sprayer, 4-gallon, is the best option for people with larger gardens, lawns, or properties that require more capacity and longer spraying times. Whether you're managing a large lawn, tackling extensive pest control, or taking on significant weed remediation projects, this 4-gallon backpack sprayer offers the power and performance you need. With a long-lasting 12 V8AH battery, This sprayer can pump over 200 gallons on a single charge, and it lasts up to 6 to 8 hours, which is perfect for big projects where you need consistent, long-term spraying without frequent breaks. The double-padded straps and back pad ensure comfort, making it easy to carry even for longer periods. The adjustable pressure, 40-90 psi, gives you full control over the spray intensity, whether you need a gentle mist for watering or a more forceful stream for tackling tough weeds. The HD4000 comes with 6 versatile nozzles, making it perfect for a variety of tasks, from pest control to fertilizing, watering, and weed management. If you're a homeowner with a large garden or a professional who needs reliable, heavy-duty equipment, this battery-powered backpack sprayer is your best bet for effortless and efficient lawn and garden care. At number 1, the Scott's 2-gallon Lithium-Ion. Battery-powered sprayer is the top pick for anyone who needs a sprayer that combines powerful performance, ease of use, and convenience in a compact package. Whether you need a sprayer for large lawns, garden care, or even tackling weed prevention, pest control, or fertilizing, the Scott's sprayer is perfectly suited for those who want consistent, high-quality results. With a 2-gallon capacity, it's large enough to tackle medium to large-sized areas, but still easy to handle. The lithium-ion battery sprays up to 12 full tanks per charge, making it a great choice if you want a sprayer that can go the distance without constant recharging. The premium, commercial-grade shutoff system ensures a comfortable grip and smooth operation, while the 21-inch polywand with Viton seals ensures long-term durability and resistance to chemicals. The 3-in-1 nozzle offers 3 spray settings: fan, spray, stream spray, and cone spray, giving you flexibility for different tasks, whether you're watering, applying weed killer, or treating pests. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance sprayer that is easy to operate and built to last, the Scott's 2-gallon lithium-ion sprayer is the best choice for anyone who values both efficiency and convenience in their garden care routine. So there you have it. Whether you're looking for something lightweight and easy to carry for small jobs, or a heavy-duty sprayer that can handle large lawns and extended work sessions, we've covered all the bases. Each of these sprayers brings something unique to the table, tailored to different needs and preferences. Think about what tasks you tackle most often, and choose the one that best fits your gardening routine. No matter which you choose, you're getting a tool that will make your outdoor work more efficient, less tiring, and way more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below with your thoughts or if you have any questions. Happy gardening!